Morning, ladies and gentlemen, it's Chris, Oz Canopies and 4x4. We've got an MR Triton in today for a few little bits and pieces. It's going to get a canopy fitted on this one. We're going to get a platform on it as well. We're going to get a whole bunch of other bits and pieces that I've entirely forgotten. Other than that, let's get right into it. Alrighty, ladies and gentlemen, it's Chris, Oz Canopies and 4x4. We've got one of our steel canopies fitted on this MR Triton. You can see, very, very straightforward. Hopefully you enjoyed the whole assembly and fit process of it. While we've got it over here, we'll go through the operation of it. You get a pair of compression locks on each of the doors. Pop that open. You can see it's very, very straightforward, designed to suit the MR's curvature at the back. So these ones are rated up to 300 kilograms. We've gone ahead and added a pair of heavy duty crossbars on the top of the canopy as well to account for that. We've gone ahead and also spaced out these racks such that they are level with the platform that we fitted on the front of it too. Anyway, if you want to grab one for yourself, Oz Canopy, oh, we've got a tow bar. God damn, we can't forget the tow bar. Our lovely friends at BTA have provided a 3.5 ton tow bar. We're going ahead and fit it with the electrics as well. So all of this stuff is available online, ozcanopies.com.au. Like, subscribe, hit the notification bell. We'll see you guys on the next one.